Welcome to 3 Minutes AI Hub. Today, we'll break down the basics of artificial intelligence in a way that's simple and easy to understand. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, artificial intelligence refers to machines or software that can mimic human intelligence. There are different types of AI. First, we have narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks like virtual assistants or facial recognition. Then there's general AI. This type aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do, but we're not there yet. AI systems learn through data. Think of it like teaching a child. The more data the AI receives, the better it becomes at its task. This is called machine learning. To learn, AI uses something called neural networks. This system is designed to mimic the human brain, helping the AI make decisions based on patterns. You might be surprised, but AI is already a part of our daily lives. It's in your phone, your social media feeds, even self-driving cars. As AI continues to evolve, it could solve big problems in healthcare, education, and beyond. But we also need to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. And that's AI in a nutshell. If you're curious to learn more, be sure to subscribe to 3 Minutes AI Hub for more simplified explanations.